Dogs versus cats, which makes a better pet? Dogs and cats are both popular domesticated pets, but they have distinct personalities and characteristics that make them suitable for different types of owners. In this essay, we will compare and contrast dogs and cats to determine which makes a better pet. Dogs are known for their loyalty, affection, and energy. They are social animals and thrive on human interaction, making them ideal pets for owners who enjoy spending time with their animals. Dogs are also known for their protective instincts, making them excellent guard dogs. Additionally, dogs can be trained to perform a wide range of tasks, from herding livestock to assisting people with disabilities. Cats, on the other hand, are known for their independence, grace, and elegance. They are low-maintenance pets that require minimal attention, making them ideal for owners who are busy or have limited space. Cats are also known for their hunting instinct, making them excellent at controlling rodent populations. Additionally, cats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a wide range of living environments, from apartments to large houses. When comparing dogs and cats, it is clear that both have their strengths and weaknesses. Dogs are loyal, affectionate, and energetic, making them ideal for owners who enjoy spending time with their animals and want a pet that can provide protection and perform tasks. However, dogs require a lot of attention and training, and can be destructive if they are not properly exercised and socialized. Cats, on the other hand, are independent, low maintenance, and highly adaptable, making them ideal for owners who are busy or have limited space. However, cats can be aloof and less social than dogs, and may not provide the same level of companionship and protection as dogs. Additionally, cats can be destructive if they are not provided with adequate scratching posts and toys. The choice between a dog and a cat ultimately depends on the owner's lifestyle, personality, and preferences. Dogs are ideal for owners who enjoy spending time with their animals and want a loyal and affectionate companion that can provide protection and perform tasks. Cats, on the other hand, are ideal for owners who want a low-maintenance pet that can thrive in a wide range of living environments. Ultimately, the decision between a dog and a cat should be based on the owner's personal circumstances and preferences.